Hello everyone. What is the minimum salary in Ireland? Ireland's national minimum wage is 14.15 euros per hour. This is about $16 per hour. For a full-time worker on 39 hours each week, the yearly minimum is 28,696 euros, or about $33,000. That equals roughly 2,391 euros per month, or about $2,750. The standard rate applies to adult workers, but younger workers and trainees can receive lower legal rates. Some sectors, including security, cleaning, and childcare, may have higher minimum pay set by special agreements. Ireland's minimum wage is a legal floor, so employers must pay at least the correct rate. The rate is reviewed through the national wage setting process and may change with living costs and economic conditions. Please like the video and share your salary in comments. Thank you for watching.